Do you need a break from Facebook but don't want to lose your account forever? You can easily reactivate it anytime by simply logging in back with your username and password. In this video, I will show you step by step how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account using your laptop or the phone. So here is what you need to know before we start. Number one, your profile and timeline will be hidden from everyone. Number two, people won't be able to search or see your account. Number three, Messenger will still work unless you choose to disable it too. Number four, all your posts, photos, and friends will stay saved. And yes, you can bring your account back anytime by logging in with your username and the password.
Okay, now first let's see how we can deactivate Facebook account using the laptop. Log in to facebook.com using your username and the password, and then on the right top of the screen click on your profile and then navigate to setting and privacy. Then again click on setting. Now in the setting on the left bar we have to go to account center. Once you are in Account Center, here please go to Personal Details. In Personal Details, please go to Account Ownership and Control. Here we have to go to the second option that says Deactivation or Deletion. Now this will ask you to select your account. Just click on it. Now here we have two options. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. Our required option is deactivating account. Just go ahead and select deactivating account and click on continue. Let's see how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account using your phone, and make sure you have installed Facebook application on your phone and you are logged in with your username and the password. In the Facebook app on your Android phone, on the left top of your screen, just tap on these three lines. Here, if you scroll a little down, you will find setting and privacy. Once you tap on setting and privacy, then again we have to go to settings. In the setting and privacy center on the top, we will find account center. Just go ahead and tap on account center. In Account Center, we have to navigate to Personal Details. Once you are in Personal Details, please go ahead and tap on Account Ownership and Control. In Account Ownership and Control, just go ahead and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Here you have to again select your Facebook profile. Now on this page, you could go ahead and proceed with deactivating your account. Just keep choosing the first option and tap on continue. And that's it about today's video, how to temporarily deactivating your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials and drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.